Hey everyone, Jesse Stroup here, mortgage broker with Home Loans of Idaho. Today's question of the week is a really good one, especially if you're a veteran or active duty military using your VA home loan benefits. So here's the question. If you have a VA loan with a temporary 2-1 buydown, can you still do the VA IRRRL if the new interest rate is higher than the current interest rate that you're in right now? So let's break this down. So what is the 2-1 buydown? First off, the 2-1 buydown means that your interest rate is lower than your actual interest rate for the first 2 years. So in year one, your rate is 2% lower. In year two, your interest rate is 1% lower. And then after that, it goes up to your full note rate that you got when you signed your loan. So your monthly payment feels cheaper at the beginning of your home loan. So how does the VA IRRRL work with these buydown loans? So now let's say you want to refinance using the VA IRRRL, also known as the interest rate reduction refinance loan. Yeah, I know, it's a lot. So even if your new loan interest rate is higher than your current temporary rate, you can still qualify. So why is because the VA doesn't look at the temporary buydown rate that you're currently sitting at. They look at your note rate, that final rate. The full rate of the loan will settle once the buydown period ends. So what's the VA rule on the low rates? So you may have heard that your new rate has to be at least 0.5% lower to qualify. But that 0.5% rule actually applies to a different type of loan called the VA cash out refinance. For an IRRRL, the VA just wants to see any reduction in your note rate. So even small dips count. This is something that we did confirm with the VA help desk. So we know we're getting solid information straight from the source. So here are my final thoughts. So really all this, what does this mean to you with your home loan? If you're in a temporary buydown loan, you don't want to stress about the low payment. The VA looks at your real long-term rate when deciding if you actually qualify for this. And if you're unsure about whether it makes sense to refinance now or not, give me a call and we can take a second look into this and give you options. Remember, with these rates, your rate will adjust until you hit that, get out of those adjustment years. So if this video has helped you, please like and follow, and always feel free to comment below if you have additional questions. We can always get answers to you through that channel.